Good day, my name is Grant Morgan and I am the Inside Sales and Technical Support Representative for Wilcox Bodies. Wilcox Bodies was started by a gentleman by the name of Rick Wilcox, and Rick essentially started manufacturing trailers for his farming neighbors and slowly got into service bodies. In 1980, John Dick purchased the company, and we've grown to the point today where we handle, lube trucks, flat decks, utility trucks, service trucks, rail trucks, propane trucks. And the rail industry has trucks that are very specific, and Wilcox, as a custom bodybuilder, is ideally, equipped to build bodies for the rail industry. Typically, they all have a crane and either an air system or a hydraulic system to run the tools. A lot of them use electric tools nowadays, and the inverter is, key to maintaining, keeping batteries up to charge. So really, when we started looking for inverter systems, like a lot of things in life, we went by word of mouth. So Samlex seemed to be an easy choice.
My name is Ryan Falsetto. I am the production manager. I work with the production team on the floor at Wilcox. For Samlex's, on the Wilcox side, we're mostly installing, obviously, their inverter systems. The ease of installation for our technicians, it's a very plug-and-play technology. The way we install it or integrate it into our builds, we try to go for as clean and streamlined installation as possible. Their system aid us or assist us in being able to do that. And I think they're a very reliable system, and we really don't have any issues with them in the field, so we continue to use them.
Customers usually remember, a quality product and fast, answers to their questions. Samlex has excellent customer service, and, based upon knowledge and experience, it's a no-brainer to carry on with a good quality product.